For all my life I'll praise your name. Your breath in me will stay the same. I'll never tire, I'll never fall. Your voice is sweet, it conquers all. Through fiery trials and quakes I've been, through storms and winds I could not win. Yet every time your voice brings peace, my restless soul finds sweet relief. You set the stars where they should shine. The seas obey your hand divine. In your embrace I'm safe, secure. Your love for me is strong and pure. No doors can close, no locks can stand before the power of your command. No guilt, no sickness can remain. Your voice dissolves the deepest pain. The storm obeys, it hears your call, for you're the maker of it all. Your word is pure, a shield of grace for those who trust and seek your face. No doors can close, no locks can stay. But for the power, your leads the way. Your voice resounds with mighty force. It shapes the world, it sets the course. So for all my life, my heart will sing to you, my Lord, my everything. Your breath in me will be my song, forever safe where I belong. No doors can close, no locks can stay. For the power of command, no voice dissolves the deepest pain. The storm obeys, it hears your call, for you're the maker of it all. No doors can close.
When the sky turns gray and dark, when the world forgets to spark, in my heart you light the way through the night into the day. When I stumble, trip and fall, you're the one that I can call. In my doubts and deepest fears, your voice whispers in my ears. My hope is in my God above, in His grace and in His love. Through the storms I stay so strong, with His strength I carry on. Mountains rise and waters churn, yet in faith I stand and learn. every trial a stepping stone. With my God, I'm not alone. When the world forsakes and leaves, in His arms my spirit breathes. In His truth I find my rest. In His plan I'm truly blessed. My hope is in my God above, in His grace and in His love. Through the storms I stay so strong. With His strength I carry on. When the world forsakes and leaves, in His arms my spirit breathes. In His truth I find my rest. In His plan I'm truly blessed. My hope is in my God above, in His grace and in His love.
On that day when we first met, my heart trembled, unsure what to feel. Your smile so bright, full of hope, filling my dreams with every thought of you. You are a brand new story, slowly opening my heart. First love that will never fade, like the morning light at dawn. First love so perfect and bright, your presence brings color to life. Every feeling, laughter and joy will always be with me every step of the way. Together we walk, side by side, without fear of what the future holds. When you hold my hand so tight, it feels like the world is ours to keep. You are a brand new story, slowly opening